Hola, que hay, Corillo? What's going on? Welcome to another video. Today I'll be unboxing.
That's a lot of damage.
Today I'm gonna be unboxing Lootcrate. It's kind of in a rough. It's rough to look like. It feels empty. When I opened the door, when I got delivered, and it was like this side, it was open. So I don't know if there's even something in here. I think this month is invasion theme, so it should be something from Back to the Future or something like that. The box is a monthly subscription, like you guys know, and it costs around $25. So let's get into it and see how is it, if there's even something in here. You guys can see first. This is what we have inside the box. I see like 5 things in here, but the first thing I got is the shirt. Oh, looks nice. I thought it was Dragon Ball Z for a second, but it's Doctor Strange. It looks kind of cool. It's like the open eye. You got oh, I think this is from Back to the Future. Is the picture where you can see their dads disappearing, their mom and dad. That's kind of cool. I guess it's like a postcard. Yeah, I think it's like a postcard. It's like a neat thing. I got a small keychain of the DeLorean. Let me see. I'm gonna open this real quick. Let's see. Un keychain, the DeLorean from Back to the Future. Senor. Let's see what else I have inside the box. I don't even know what this is.
It's like a magnet.
No, it's like luggage tag.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, it's like luggage tag from I don't even know where this is. I'm guessing Star Trek. My guess is Star Trek, but it's like luggage tags. Basically, you put this on your luggage so you know it's your luggage. People don't be picking up your shit. So let's see what else I have. It seems like only one more thing is in the box. It's the pin for the month. It's a cat on top of a car. I don't know what's the theme on that, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a fox? A fox on top of a car?
It's like a box.
Yeah, it's like a fox on top of a car. Let me try to open it. Maybe show you better with the plastic. There you go. And that's pretty much it. That's all that's in the box. I don't know if I even have all the stuff that was supposed to be inside the box, because stuff was sticking out when I got the box. But I think you can make the box into something, because last month it was a cereal. I have it on my shelf. I don't know if this month do something. I don't know. Maybe this way. I have no fucking clue.
Loser.
I don't know, something galaxy. I'm not even gonna do it. It looks complicated. But yeah, that's all I got on the box. I think that was kind of weird. Not too much things, not too much great things on it. I think the best thing is the shirt. I'll be rocking the shirt. And for $25, I don't know if it was worth it, but yeah, it's kind of an experience. But if you guys want to check it out on your own, I will leave a link on the description and give you like a 5% discount or something like that. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.